I call the open door, but the light's my room and I'm happy my. I may open door, the open door you fix this.
Assalamualaikum. Hello guys, so I just came back from my school. As you saw me coming out, and it was raining. You also saw that it was raining. I had to pick up my bag and then carry it because or else the mud will, and then my house will get dirty. So my Ammu said to pick up the bag and come. But the weather is so good. I'll just show it. See guys, the weather is so good. It was raining, but now it stopped. As you can see, the ground are wet. And it's still raining.
Assalamualaikum. Hello. Today it was raining outside from the morning when I went to school. It was raining from that time, and today I had a competition in science and I won it, and my ma'am said that she will give me 3 dirhams as a prize. So today she gave me 1 dirham. Bye bye. Masalama.